Here in the U.S., the number of COVID-19 cases continues to increase, up 20% in the last 2 weeks, but the situation is far worse in parts of Europe. CBS News senior foreign correspondent Charlie D'Agata reports from Poland.
The streets were ablaze as rioting erupted overnight in the Netherlands in a backlash against strict new COVID rules. A night after police fired on a demonstration in scenes the mayor called an orgy of violence. Tens of thousands protested in Austria, too, after the government there not only announced a new lockdown starting tomorrow, but ordered that vaccines would be compulsory by February 1st. The country has one of the lowest vaccination rates in Europe and one of the highest daily infection rates, per capita, 5 times worse than the United States. Europe has been racking up record numbers this week, a surge so worrying, the World Health Organization warns of up to 500,000 more COVID deaths by the spring. In Germany, they're pulling down Christmas markets and considering a countrywide lockdown, too. Poland also recording the highest infection rates since April. In this ward, the only empty bed we found had been occupied by a woman who just died.
Europeans thought the darkest days of this nightmare pandemic were behind them, yet the COVID intensive care units are filling up once more. The difference is last time getting a vaccine was not an option. How many patients will survive? How many will die?
Generally, about 20% are surviving.
20% survive?
Yes.
None of them have been vaccinated?
Yes.
None?
No.
Spokesperson Katarzyna Malinowska said the numbers speak for themselves.
95% who are treated in intensive care are unvaccinated, and 99% who die is unvaccinated.
With the worst of the winter months ahead, health officials now face some tough decisions. Mandatory lockdowns, compulsory vaccinations, or follow Austria's lead and do both. Margaret?
Charlie D'Agata, thank you.